go. Where you at?
CT's ready to roll.
All right.
Launch Director, NTD on 232.
Let's see, ML, Cliff.
ML ready to be rolled.
This is Launch Director. Go ahead, NTD.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. All of our comm checks with our observers are complete. The CT is in their final preps for rolling. CT path of travel clears established. Safety on the go. Copy. NTD copies. No issues.
All right, I copy all.
Isn't that awesome? Once again, the KSCT is itself. Capable of launching not only the Orion with crewed flights, but some really cool science missions too.
Yeah, look at that. So exciting.
Status update. Clears are established. Copy.
We basically built a skyscraper that you can move around.
Can you imagine that with a rocket on it? This thing's huge. I can't wait to see it with the rocket.
We've had a good week out at the pad. I think we're ready to bring her inside. Go to roll.
We are all part of a really special operation. This is our program, our mission, and our time.